Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I remain Akilo Hope Vanessa, medicine student at Gulu University. Yes. So today I'll be taking you through PowerPoint presentation. Yes. So first things first, how do you get PowerPoint? You come to the search bar and type PowerPoint. Then it automatically comes and you click it. That's one way. Another way, you could also come to the Windows bar and look for PowerPoint. It's just here. Yes. Then also another way, I'm going to my folder. I open it. When I open it, I come to new PowerPoint. Okay, I already have it, so I'm just going to open it. But in case I didn't have, I would just click there, right click, and when they bring new, right click, and when they bring new, I choose new PowerPoint. So in PowerPoint we have different. When I come to home, for example, sorry for that, I'm using WPS. Let me use Word. Actually, let me use Microsoft. WPS is kind of hard to use it. Yeah, it's just here. Yeah, so this is with Word. So when you come to home, you have new slide, you click here, you're able to get new slides. And then you come to insert. In case I wanted to insert a picture, I wanted to insert tables, I wanted to insert a graph, a comment, yes, I would come to insert. In case I wanted to insert header, footer, I would still come there. Then for design, if I want to change my background, I come to design. Even if I want to just format it, I still go to design. Then transitions, the way I want my work to appear. Then animation. The animation is for that, for the points. Yes. Then slideshow, especially when you're now presenting, just when you put them in slideshow, just keep tapping next, and they just keeps following each other. It simplifies your work. Then view, under view we have what? Master slide. I'm going to show you how to use master slide in the next video. Otherwise, yeah, for today, just introducing you to. Sorry for that. No, I don't want to say this. So I'm coming back to home. Yes, today I'm talking about tourism in Uganda. Oh, okay. Let me change my background. I don't like this one. So I come back to design. Choose maybe this. Maybe. Yeah, I'm choosing this. I prefer this. So you come, your first slide should have what you're talking about. Like now, I'm going to be talking about tourism in Uganda. The presentation is by myself, Dr. Vanessa. And then, obviously, when you're presenting, I'm talking about tourism. I should be what? Someone at least qualified in that what? In that field. So, my title I've used here is Minister of Tourism. But yeah, I've just used it for an example. I'm not the Minister of Tourism. I've just used it. Then, when you're making a PowerPoint presentation, you should have objectives. Yes, now I'm going to talk about what is tourism. What is tourism? That's going to be one of the things I'm talking about. Tourist attractions in Uganda. Tourist attractions in Uganda. We'll talk about advantages. Advantages of tourism. Maybe problems facing the tourism sector. Then maybe conclusion. going to conclude. This is just a sample. You can make something better than me. Just showing you what to do. Then the slide that follows, I'm going to now come and start talking about my objectives. My first objective was, what is tourism? I don't want to add live, so I'm going to come and just give me a minute. Yes, this. I want to copy it, so I just come here and on this same upper one I want to paste it. Yes, then I come also for the next objective. I'm going to copy it, then I come here, I'm going to paste it. Copy. Paste. Then I come again, problems. Come on the 6th slide and paste. No, I'm going to undo that because I already have that. Go to problems. Copy. And come here. And I paste. Like so. Then I come. Also, another thing to note when you're making a PowerPoint presentation, your work should not be what? Should not have very long work. Like, use points just. Like now, for example, what is tourism? First thing I'm going to say, moving from, I'm going to next one place to another. Next, maybe for adventure. Could be for adventure. It could be for study purposes. Study purposes. It could be for recreation. Just going to chill, to relax. Recreation. Yeah, tourist attractions in Uganda, we know. There are many game parks in Uganda. Who does not know that? We have game parks. For example, Maction Falls. We have lakes, Lake Victoria. We have rivers, River Nile. The Great River Nile is in Uganda, by the way, in case you did not know. Rivers, we have mountains. It's Mountain of the Moon, that's Mount Rwenzori, we have Mount Elgon. We have beautiful sceneries like falls, beautiful scenery. Hey, there's a fall, we have a falls in northern Uganda. Sceneries. Are you guys seeing what I'm doing? I'm not giving like long sentences, I'm just bullets. So like advantages of tourism. This is source of taxes. Okay, revenue to the government. Revenue to the government. That's one. It could be what can I say? Employment, by the way, to those game rangers. Employment. Preserving wildlife. Preservation of wildlife. Yeah, I'm not going to make a whole, it's just a sample. Then the problem is facing wildlife sector in Uganda. The most famous is wild bush fires. You know, we're in the savannah. Yes, wild bush fires. We have poaching, especially by what? People people live near game parks. You have encroachment. People want to encroach on what? On the game park land. Even diseases, by the way, can kill the animals. Yeah, outbreak of some funny diseases that kill the animals. Now, another thing was, everything in our objectives, we also had what? Conclusion. So, I'm just going to come in, add sorry for that. Just going to click here. Going to click here and add a new slide. Oh, let me undo. Sorry for that. Should have brought it here. Come here, add a new slide. In conclusion, it will have our what? Conclusion. Then now you conclude. In conclusion, therefore, Uganda is a Pearl of Africa. Uganda is the Pearl of Africa. The Pearl of Africa. And you're done. You guys seen this? And this is it. Yeah, otherwise, thank you for listening. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.